The Indorama Group is one of Asia's leading diversified companies and manufactures a multitude of industrial products including polyethylene, polypropylene, polyester, PET resin, spun yarns, fabrics, medical gloves and fertilizers. The story of the group began in 1975 when Mohan Lal Lohia and his son Sri Prakash Lohia founded Indorama Synthetics in Indonesia. Today, the Indorama Group has 77 manufacturing sites in 28 countries. The company's objective is the construction, acquisition and management of leading global production facilities all around the world. Indorama is the largest global producer of polyester, PET and synthetic disposable gloves. The story of Indorama in Uzbekistan began in 2009 when a delegation from the company was invited to visit the country by the government and expressed an interest in establishing a modern yarn production plant in the city of Kokand in the Fergana Valley. With the active support of the Uzbek government, a joint venture in the form of a limited liability company, Indorama Kokand Textile, was founded in June 2010. The Indorama Group and the National Bank of Uzbekistan were involved in setting up a modern plant in 2 phases to manufacture compact combed yarn with a total capacity of 15,000 metric tons per year. The first phase was launched in August 2011, equipped with Rita K45 spinning equipment with a capacity of 7,500 metric tons of compact cotton yarn. Following the successful commission of the first phase and with continued support from the government of Uzbekistan, the second phase was launched in 2013, also equipped with modern Rita K45 equipment with a capacity of 9,000 metric tons of compact cotton yarn. Aiming to diversify the product range, Indorama decided to expand production by developing another type of yarn, open-end yarn. It has a different purpose and a different target segment of the market. As a result, the third phase of the project was launched in 2015 with a capacity of up to 9,000 metric tons of finished product. In view of the growing demand for yarn on the international, regional and local markets, the company decided to expand its capacity for compact yarn production. So, a fourth production phase was commissioned in September 2016. Equipped with K46 machines, the latest equipment from Rita, which have a capacity of 10,000 metric tons of compact combed yarn. As a result, Indorama's total production capacity in Uzbekistan today is 35,000 metric tons. The company processes 50,000 tons of cotton annually, which is about 5% of total cotton fiber production and a significant percent of the total quantity of cotton processed in the country. The production line utilizes compact yarn manufacturing technology and know-how from leading German, Swiss and Japanese suppliers of textile machinery. The company has a decent workforce of 1,100 hands. Today, Indorama is one of Uzbekistan's largest textile product exporters with a global corporate market covering more than 60 countries. Indorama's compact yarn is one of the best available and is tested in the factory's own laboratory. The laboratory is fully fitted out with state-of-the-art equipment. Yarn quality is checked at each stage of production, both offline and online. To ensure product quality, each bale of cotton is checked for parameters such as length, tensile strength, uniformity, maturity, contamination and so on. The mixing plan is drawn up so as to ensure that the average quality of the cotton remains at the same level from day to day. Indorama is the only company in Uzbekistan that uses 2 different types of foreign matter separator on each processing line. In addition, each electronic clearer at winding machines, which is the final yarn manufacturing process, are equipped with a foreign matter detector. Social responsibility is also an integral part of Indorama's business strategy. The company maintains close links with the local community and takes an active part in social, cultural and economic development. Indorama is proud of its production plant in Uzbekistan because the company's operations are having an impact on development in many different ways. Indorama yarn is exported to world markets, opening up new horizons for the Made in Uzbekistan brand. The company's success has helped local business people to put their faith in better management methods, occupational safety and environmental protection measures and advanced technologies that yield better results. Since Indorama began operating in Uzbekistan, domestic cotton fiber processing has increased significantly from a level of just 15%. Because of this, the textiles industry has become a key source of foreign currency earnings for Uzbekistan, creating jobs and generating a significant portion of GDP. Working closely with the government and making its own contribution to the growth and development of Uzbekistan are just some of Indorama's plans for the future in this beautiful country.